Do you want to spend just 20 minutes for your client's curls and make 5 guests instead of 1? Then watch this lesson because I'm gonna show you how to make fast curls. You will learn important tips how to do effortless curls using flat iron. By the way, I want to thank all my Patreon students because with your support I am able to create these beautiful high quality lessons. And if you want to learn how to make beautiful hairstyles, how to earn money on this in this profession, join my Patreon classes online in English language. Link will be under this video. See you there. Today I have beautiful model Valeria.
Hello.
And she has natural, undyed, thick hair. And never start doing curls without hair prep because hair prep is the most important. You need to create some volume here. I will be using my favorite product for volume. If you want to know how to make super volume near the roots, watch my lesson on Patreon. There are more than 70 lessons and link will be under this video. As a result of your hair preparation, you need to have something like this volume. That means that you prepped hair good. So this is my circle separation and you see that I don't make a lot of strands. Here is the most important strand because it is right in front of the face. I have hair straightener by Pantera hair. It is gold titanium and the temperature is up to 240, but of course I need just 200 for my natural undyed hair. That would be fine. For dyed hair or blondie hair I use 160 or 180. How to decide what side you need to curl? So here I decided to make volume to the right side, okay? If you want to have volume to the left, you need to curl away from the face, okay? So I'm gonna curl this strand away from the face to the right side. That's why I will curl like this away from the face, okay? This is the first one, right in front of the nose. That is my second strand. Brush it to the face, take a look. I want to have curls different direction, more like messy, effortless curls. That's why I changed direction. So this strand I'm gonna curl to the face. And see, I stretch it to the face. You can make these curls even using a curling iron, that is fine too. Actually, I'm coming New York this month and probably when you're watching this lesson, I'm already there. So follow my Instagram because there all information is updated. And if you want to learn from me personally, you have this chance. Follow my Instagram, text me in private messages, and maybe I see you soon in New York. I'm coming only for 3 weeks, so it's really short period of time because I have a lot of work in Poland, and that's why if you really want to learn from me, you need to text me right now in Instagram because who knows, maybe I'm there or maybe I already in Poland, back to Poland. So text me right now. All the links you will find under this video in the description. Another important step. The model needs to lean her head down and now I'm gonna brush all the curls. Just take it like this and just brush it out, comb out everything, and I will receive nice messy texture. And this hairstyle actually is good. This styling is good for bridesmaids, for birthday parties, for example. And let me know in the comments what hairstyles you usually have, what hairstyles your clients asking for, because it's really interesting for me. I would like to know the most popular styles in your country, because in Poland, yes, here the most popular, I think, curls and waves, Hollywood waves. By the way, if you don't know how to make Hollywood waves, check out my lesson on YouTube. It's short version, and detailed lesson you will find on my Patreon. Detailed lesson in English language. All links are in the description. I like to try new products, and the Venus has a wax spray, so let's try it out. I always try new products on the models, not on the clients, because I don't know how they work. Apply to the models first. I feel that it is more soft, because for example, Redken is more oily and this is more soft. You see this texture from the teeth, it is nice. And wax spray helps you to remove these flyaways, this baby hair. I never use strong hairspray here, because I want hair to be movable. I want my client go this, nice. Now the most important step, stylization process. So I need to put all the hair forward and just put it to the face, this side and this side to the face, okay? Messy curls. Hairspray, a little bit hairspray. I open the hair, and from this side too. Close your eyes. To get the effortless beachy effect, you can use any salt spray. Just spray it to the hair, open it widely. Always open your curls like this, and you will have messy beach curls. I love this effect. So this is the first option of your styling.